Hi, it's Mark and Grace again. Welcome to another episode of Noble Notary.
Yeah, so we are founders of Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers. What else do we do?
Well, we own the site ladybird.net,
We also are authors of A Golden Pen.
a digital pen.
And what about your podcast?
Well, we've got the Notary Ninja podcast, and I think we might have a course or two out there, right?
Yes, so we are creators of a course, Notary Prosperity Academy. And lastly,
We've got a directory called noblelegalpros.com. Now, that sounds like an awful lot of stuff. It sounds like we got a lot going on. So today we're going to talk about how to make extra money with air bills. In other words, mail carriers.
Yeah, so we have a few examples here. We've got FedEx, we have Priority Mail Express, and we have UPS. Now, how do we use these?
Well, every single one of those mailers that you see, number one, it's free to create an account with those services. You can go to USPS.com. Number two, they will actually mail to your house for free. So you can get those supplies for free. So how we use those to make extra money? Well, that's pretty simple. In the digital marketing world, we have something called an order bump. That's where you're checking out, you're buying a digital product, and then they tag on something kind of like but wait, there's more.
Or you're going through the drive-thru and they're like, do you want fries or a shake with that?
Do you want fries with that? Right. So that is a marketing tactic, and you can apply that to your notary business with air bills. See, here's the reality. I don't know if you've been to the U.S. Post Office or not recently, but it's usually a long, inconvenient waiting line with people grumbling and complaining. That's your customer. They come to you for some notary work. You ask questions. If you find out this stuff's got a destination that it's got to go to, you offer to facilitate that for them because you create an account with each one of these, and you have the envelopes with you on hand. You go into the account and create the air bill. Now you upcharge for that, right?
Absolutely. So usually $20 to $30 for the convenience of delivering it for your client, giving them peace of mind. They'll always have tracking on it and making sure that it gets from one destination to another. And we have plenty of clients that ask us to facilitate this for them.
So you're just a one-stop shop. Think about it. When they go to Safe Ship or they go to UPS store, usually there's not a notary there, but they're kind of going there to do notary and then ship, and that is their idea. Well, you can beat them out of their own game left and right because they come to you, then you offer to do the service they were going to go have them do simply by asking them, so what's going on with this stuff? Offer that extra service, put a little more extra money in your pocket. It's super easy to do. It only takes you a couple more minutes of work.
Yeah.
You increase your revenue, increase your bottom line. Odds are your service is going to be faster and friendlier than the UPS store, especially the U.S. Post Office. And another thing, there's a big misnomer. A lot of people think they can actually go to the post office to get a notary. You can't. The post office is federal, okay? Notaries are commissioned at the state level. So they'll go there, end up getting disappointed. Then they find you take care of their documents. That's usually after they've gone to a bank or two that told them, no, we're not going to notarize those. So there's a lot of frustration that you're alleviating. You're going to now be their new best friend when you offer this stuff.
They're always happy to pay for the extra service. And like Mark said, you become a one-stop shop. You give them the convenience and with a smile, like we always do, and
you
they're
put a
happy.
little extra money in your pocket.
We're happy.
All right, that's your tip for today.